Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people, any which part of the world on a day. Today, me day, I'm a day I was some white clothes, and it take me back in time, man. Yes, man, it take me down a memory lane when my granny, Miss Selva, used to use the blue panny white clothes. Them, come here, zoom in and show them. When you put your blue, pan your white clothes, them, and you see how the water turn blue. You see? You see what me I tell you? You put the blue and you see and you make them soak in a sun hot. Alright, you know it's sun gone out little. But let me tell you something. You see when you wash them with the blue in the water. You see what me I talk about, my people? When you wash them now and you wash them, you take them up like a thing like this. You see? You see the blue there? Yes, man. How much I want to know about washing white clothes with blue? And when you don't know, you put them out in a sun at the bun. See it there? You put them out in a sun at the bun. Yes, then you have memories, Memories, man. Memories of back in the day. Wanna drop a line below, no? And make me hear if you don't have any memories of when you used to see your granny, your auntie, or even your mother use blue to wash your white clothes them. As always, Mama Selva have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night, any which part of the world on a day.